Is Butter by Keba legit or a scam? If you've come across eye-catching ads on Facebook or Instagram showing an RTX 4070 Super for $349 or a riding lawnmower for just $400 from a site called Butter by Keba, you're not alone. Many people are wondering if this is too good to be true. The first thing that stands out is the confusion between two websites, Butter by Keba.com, which is a legitimate personal care brand, and Butter by Keba.com, so one running these questionable ads. The second site uses the same name and logo as the original but sells completely unrelated items like pet food, electronics, and machinery. That's already suspicious. On top of that, the domain Butter by Keba.com was only registered on March 26, 2025, which is a huge red flag considering it's already pushing heavy traffic ads and claiming large amounts of inventory for high demand items like the RTX 4070. Even more suspicious is the unrealistic pricing. A GPU that normally costs over $1,000 is being offered for less than half that, and the website says 90 in stock at a time when most trusted retailers can't even keep these in. Multiple users on Reddit have already pointed out that this site is likely a scam, sharing experiences where they either received cheap unrelated items or never got anything at all. While there's no official confirmation yet, and we're not calling it a scam outright, everything from the domain age, mismatched branding, too good to be true pricing, and community feedback strongly suggests this is not a trustworthy place to buy high-end electronics. If you're thinking about buying from Butter by Keba, you might want to hold off. The risk just doesn't seem worth it.